Hi guys, good day. So today I'm just gonna show you how to replace your um, cigar lighter fuse. So that's the fourth of it. So we're gonna look at the owner's manual. Where is that located? So just go to the fuses page. So here it says the cigar lighter or rear fire point, it's fuse number 39, and then the ampere rating is 20 ampere. So let's go. So I got this fuse box on eBay, so about $20. So yeah, so we're gonna use, I guess, this one of these 20 ampere, then 32 volts. So yeah, let's jump into the fuse just underneath this glove box. So yeah, that's the main fuse, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how to remove it when you first so it's just like that. Twist this this one, and then we'll lock. So if you want to loosen up, just counterclockwise and then pull it down like that. So yeah, so here, as you can see, so we're looking for 20 ampere fuse. So no, very dirty, dusty. So we're looking at the fuse, this one. Oh, this one. If you probably encounter with this, just look at this fuse. It says 109. Yeah, remove it. Just grab your long nose plier. Twist it. See, we'll remove it already. And then have a look. Yeah, no good. So we got our new one, 20 ampere. Plug it in. There you go. You have your new one. Make sure the amperage is correct. The fuse that you're gonna use is the same. It will fix the problem. Yeah, thank you.